Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn ServiceNow Platform. I hope you all are well. This side Prakhar Chaube. Today I will try to cover the virtual agent part 3. In this I will try to cover the live agent part. So as we already aware about, we already covered the above few topics: virtual agent plugins, conversational interface guide up setup, module part, and user input, board response, utilities. So this all part I already covered in my first video and the part 2 video. So if you didn't watch that video, so kindly watch first. I already shared the URL in the description box. So definitely that you need to watch first, because that part will really help you to boost and enhance your virtual agent topic. Create a virtual agent from the scratch, what plugins is really needed to enable this part, and how we can configure the user input, board response, and utilities, and what is the meaning of that, how many tools is there. So all topic that I already covered in my part 1 and part 2 video. So definitely you should need to watch first, okay? And what role is really needed to enable this live agent, which workspace is helping to enable the live agent chat option, okay? So all this part I will try to cover in my current video. So without wasting a time, let us start to jump on my personal PDI. This is my personal PDI instance, okay? Now let's click to all and type virtual. Under this we have designer module, and let's open this part. And now today I am trying to covering this live agent chat option, okay? So for this I am creating a new topic part. Just click to create new, and now application scope should be global. I clear this one is already mentioned. Type is always I need to select a topic, because today I'm creating a topic on the live agent. Let's put the live agent, okay? Copy this and paste it in the description. NLU again I will try to cover in my upcoming video. Advanced properties, this part I already covered in my second video part, so you can also try to watch first if you want to understand this part, okay? And today currently I'm just enabling this item, the resume flow, and now I will just put some the new keyword, because definitely this will help you to calling your topic part. So now let's put some words: live, chat, call, live agent, desk, chatbot. This will just helping to calling your this one topic part, okay? So how user can call this your live agent topic. So this keyword is just helping that part, okay? Click to create, and now designer is open. So now you need to design some flow. So this is one is start, and this one is the end point, okay? And now let's put the text item. You this again I am just repeating one more item. So this one is a user input, and below one is a board response, and next third one is a utilities, okay? And what is the use of this, and what is the meaning of the each item, that I already covered in my part 1 video. So please watch first, so at least you can understand that why we need it, and what is the meaning of this particular item, okay? So I already mentioned the proper PPT slide, so you can also take the screenshot. So this part will really help you when you will start to designing the flow item, okay? So now let's try to create one normal item. Welcome, okay? Node name just as a label, okay? I'm just using this text user input, and here I'm just prompt using how can I help you, okay? Now let's remove. So now let's me put the one prompt on prompt put. Basically, I need to put some the prompt statement that this will basically initiate the response to the user. So user can also interact according to this prompt statement. So now this is the text input. Under this, you need to put the node name, and you need to put the prompt here. And now just I am putting the input format as a text, okay? And let me put the confirmation message, okay? Thanks for your input, okay? That's it. And now let's choose one more item, that is static choice. Just put the choice and please select below option. And let me put the some option, incident and live agent. Okay, so today I am just trying to covering the live agent part, so I will create a logic of this item. Okay, and now this part is done. Just click to save. And now let's try to put the item that is a this one decision, because you already choose this two option. So anyhow you need to apply this logic. Okay, click to always. And now here you have the branch properties. You need to define the branch property according to your choice. Okay, so first let me put the incident. Now select the condition. Now you can see we have the user, welcome and choice. Okay, the currently I'm just selecting a choice for this particular item branch property and put the incident. Click to save. Now click to again one more item, that is a live agent. This is the branch name just as a label name, so you can denote to any name. Okay, this is, it's your call. Select the choice, but this one choice option should be correct. Okay, so now I put the live agent. Okay, now I need to add one more item, that is a topic block. Let me add it again. This one topic block, because as we are aware about, we already have the topic block for this live agent. So I do not need to create the new one item for this live agent chat. Okay, let me put the live agent and let's select the live. Okay, transfer to live agent. This topic block is already available. Okay, so I do not need to create the new item here. Now let's select and just click to indate. Okay, now let's try to run this item. Now just click to save and now just click to test and let's see this live agent chat will work or not. Okay, so now again the virtual agent is on, and now you need to put how, now you can see how I can help you. Okay, according to your logic of the text user input, now this will start to appearing. Okay, now you need to put some message here as a user end, as a user side. Hello, I need to connect with virtual, not virtual, sorry, agent desk. Okay, enter. Thanks for your input. Please select the below option. Okay, now let's select the live agent. Let's see if I got the right. Okay, I got this right. Do you want me to connect you to an agent? So just click to yes. And now there is no agent available at the moment right now. Okay, so how we can enable this part? Okay, now let me show you one thing. So now just click to open this item, service operation workspace. Okay, basically in the past we have the agent, we was working on the agent workspace. Okay, that was already deprecated, that has been deprecated by ServiceNow agent workspace part. And now this time we have this item, service operation workspace. Okay, if you once you open this, you can see this inbox option. Okay, under this you can select the available away and offline. Okay, and how this will appearing. So first of all you need to understand the role part. Okay, this role is really needed to understand that how this item will be appear with your profile. Okay, so we have few limited role for this agent item. This one EWE agent. Okay, this role, interaction agent. Okay, and one more, I guess, this agent workspace user. Okay, so this three role is really needed if you want to see this inbox option on the service offering or service operation workspace. So this item should, this role should be available with your profile. Okay, so if I can try to impersonate with anyone, and let's see this inbox option is available or not for this user. Okay, so now let me jump here and refresh this page. Okay, you can see there is no option appearing with this profile. Okay, access denied because there is no role is tagged with this profile. Okay, so anyhow you need to, if you want to enable the inbox option for this user, so you need to add that role also. Okay, so without this, all this role, you cannot see that option inbox. Okay, so again, you need to note this point at your side. This three role is really needed to enable this inbox option. Okay. So let me close this all item and now. So let me again jump here. Okay, and open this operation workspace. Okay, and let me just enable on this item. Okay, and now let's see the again. Let me taste it. Okay. Last time there is no agent chat, no agent, basically no agent was available at that time when I choose this option to as a live agent. Okay, but now this time let's see. This will start to answering something or not. Okay, I need to connect with live agent, and thanks for your input. Select the live agent, and now let's see. Yes, now you can see this will start to answering me. Okay, please stand by while we connect. I connect you to a live agent. Okay, now you can see, and let me show you one more item. Okay, so here now you can see this chat MIS option is start to showing me. Okay, and here we have the time to accept, that is a second. Okay, if few second is available, still available, so anyhow you need to click to select or accept it. Okay, just I'm accepting as a live agent member. Okay, and now you can see the chat option will start to appearing. Okay, and click to okay, now again I need to jump here, this page. Sorry, let me open this item. So here now you can see, thanks for your connecting support. I am looking into your question now and will be with you shortly. Now you can see this is start to answering me basically. Okay. So this is the way that how you can enable the live agent chat. Okay. So that role is really needed if you want to, if you want to applying some live agent. Okay. So that you need to provide that role with some profile. Okay. Otherwise the inbox option will not appear. And the one more thing, this agent type topic block. Okay, this block is really needed to enable the live agent with your logic part. So I hope you learn this part from this video, and in my next video I will try to cover the incident creation topic. Okay, on that I will try to help you to utilize some the more option and how we can use some more option to creation some record. Okay, means how we can create a record with the help of some more option. Okay, script action, record action, script board response. So that part I will cover in my next upcoming video. So definitely please continue with me. I will definitely promising you that your skills will definitely enhance day by day. I hope you like it and learn from it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will really boost me to upload the more video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.